Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be showing you how you can customize this template in such a way that you can measure for more windows. So imagine a floor plan where you're having more windows and it is way above what we have over here. Let's use the door, sorry. So assuming we have door 8 and right here we just have door 7. In order for you to add more of this, I'll be showing you simple steps on how you can get this done. So let's jump into this video quickly. So first of all, you will have to go to the advanced, and what we need to do is to insert properties. You click on insert properties, and then we're going to put door 8. We start with length. Remember value, mark input, and M. Insert another property. Door 8. Width. Remember value, mark input, okay. We need to take this back to estimate and not item. The group should be estimated, and we insert another one, D8 QTY. The quantity, we mark, and this time around the units is number. So immediately we're done with this, the next thing we're going to do is to come over here and input the formula. So you click on this, and we're going to put door 8. So the easy step is just to copy this, copy, another plus, and you paste, and we just change this to door 8. We change this to door 8. Okay. And then now we have to go back to this place. And when we come here, what we're going to do is we will have to so what we are going to do is first we have to take this back to the doors. In order for us to take this to the doors, we click on Form tab and you insert doors. 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 Okay. So now we have it here. So in this section, under show units, what we are going to do is for length, we are going to mark. We're going to mark length. And for width, we're going to mark both this show unit, and same row. For quantity, we're going to mark this and this. So the next thing we need to do is we need to take this below, okay, which will take more of the time. I will show you how to do that. And okay, so over here, what we need to do is to ensure we take this beneath, right? So for us to take this beneath, we would, for the form tab, we'll take all of this down. And for us to arrange this, it has to be length, width, and quantity, okay? We can just click on this. Let's just be fast with this. So most times it's going to take time for us to take this. That's why in creating a template, most time it takes a lot of work. And so we have to take it below. I have to take it below. But you can as well let this be on the top, but I just want it to be arranged sequentially. So we're going to look for, where is this? It's sometimes it's as you can see, this is where it's at now, and then we have to take it down. We have to take it down to this portion. So for the purpose of this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure I fast forward it so that we can be waiting for this. I will just fast forward it, and so that you see the end of this. So at the end of the day, when you're able to do this, this is how it might be. So what you need to do, you need to arrange this length, width, and quantity. So let's arrange it that way. We'll take the width a little bit down, or let's just bring the length up. It will be better for us to bring the length up. 1, 2. This video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ensure I fast forward it so that we can be waiting for this. I will just fast forward it, and so that you see the end of this. So at the end of the day, when you're able to do this, this is how it might be. So what you need to do, you need to arrange this length, width, and quantity. So let's arrange it that way. We'll take the width a little bit down, or let's just bring the length up. It will be better for us to bring the length up. 1, 2. Okay, so as you can see, we've been able to do this. So when you look at the form, you're going to see that now we now have D8 as part of this. Okay. So try it and let me hear what you have been able to achieve in the comment section.